So in other videos, I think I've mentioned that all of the money that you're not making now is going to come from the following sources. So one would be calling your sphere of influence proactively, asking for referrals. The other would be cold calling up and down the street through neighborhoods, asking people if they want to sell their house. We give you the perfect words for all of this, of course. Door knocking, calling for sale by owners, calling expired and canceled listings, and holding open houses. Okay, so all the money that you're not making now is going to come from those sources. So let's say you're equally great at all of those things. I have taught you how to be equally great at all of those things, and they all would pay $400 an hour, let's say, right, which is $800,000 a year in case you're scoring at home. So if you're equally great at all those things, again, it's calling your sphere, asking for referrals, cold calling up and down the street, door knocking up and down the street, calling for sale by owners, calling expireds and canceled, and holding open houses. If you're equally great at all of those things and they all pay $400 an hour, write down any of those that you would not be willing to do, okay? That's how we find out who you are. Now, when you call me for a complimentary coaching call, I'm going to ask you that question. And by the way, people say, oh, I'm not willing to do that or this or the other thing. And some people say, no, I'm willing to do all those things. That's fine. So here's the good news. I'm not going to make you do the things you don't want to do, okay, or you're unwilling to do. So give me a call and let's find out if Fearless Agent Coaching might be a good fit for you. Because at the end of the call, I'm not going to close you. What I am going to say is, I think Fearless Agent is a good fit for you. Or I'm going to say, I don't think what we do at Fearless Agent might not be a good fit for you. If it's not a good fit for you, we're not going to do business, that's fine. I'm still happy to help you in any other way I can, give you free advice, whatever you want. But if it is a good fit for you, you're going to get rich, and we're going to predict what your next 12 months income is going to be. And I'm pretty accurate at predicting that. So if you tell me what you're willing to do, I'll tell you how much you're going to earn. And let's just see if we can turn you into a fearless agent. Thanks.